Local news for Tuesday the 5th of November. A second grand promotional tour of the regions to encourage rural school pupils into health careers will take place this month. Organised by the New Zealand Rural General Practice Network and supported by 40 medical staff, nursing and allied health students, the tour will take in 41 rural high schools, 7 rural hospitals and 11 general practices, with Wairarapa a region on the list. A community funding workshop takes place today at the Carterton Event Centre. The two workshops between 3 and 5 and 5:30 and 7:30 give the likes of community and sporting groups the chance to ask questions and learn about how organisations can better help groups looking for funding. Health and Disability Commissioner Anthony Hill has released a report finding the Wairarapa District Health Board and an orthopaedic surgeon a breach of the Code of Health and Disability Services Consumer Rights for failures in the care provided to a man during knee surgery. During the surgery, the man's leg caught fire. The surgeon failed to follow the DHB's guideline regarding the safe use of alcohol-based solution and diathermy. And a good weekend for giant softball. While the Major B women and under-15s lost, the under-13s and reserve grades both had wins, while the Prem scored an impressive 18-4 victory.